Welcome to the beautiful city of Guangzhou, and today I want to take you to the highest point of Guangzhou and to the famous tower, which is Canton Tower of Guangzhou. Yes, guys, so we are going to the highest point of the Canton Tower to explore and see the beautiful city of Guangzhou. Stay until the end of this video. What's up, guys? It's your girl Precious Expect, and I'm back again with another video. I'm super excited today. I came to this amazing city of Guangzhou, and yeah, if you're new here, please karibu sana. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, welcome back. Please, guys. You know how much I love you, right? So give this video a thumbs up and please comment down below your thoughts. And yeah, so today I want to take you to a Canton Tower in Guangzhou. Yes, guys, it's a very beautiful highest tower in Guangzhou. My ticket is from 2 to 4, so I think I came earlier. I think now it's around 12. So I decided to come to this restaurant and get some drink. Yes, while waiting for my time. And yeah, I'm super excited, and I really can't wait to try this, guys. I've been really wanting, and I feel like this is opportunity. I just came to Guangzhou for my other stuff. Today, actually, I have a flight back to Shanghai tonight, so I decided to take this time and try to explore a little bit of the beauty of Guangzhou.
2 hours later.
It was my time for me to check in, so yeah, I went inside and I got my paper tickets because I bought my ticket online, so I had to get the paper ticket. And of course I went through some security check. Yeah, and I think if you want to go to Canton Tower, you should go at least 1 hour earlier, because there is a bit of queue, and of course you have to line up and wait for your turn to take the elevators upstairs. Yeah. Canton Tower is 600 meters high with 450 meters of its main body and 150 meters of its antenna, which makes it the highest tower in China and the third highest in the world. Trust me, guys, this was the highest time I've spent in the elevator. I think it's like almost 10 to 15 minutes from down to the top. Canton Tower is a comprehensive sightseeing building as well as renowned tourist attraction with the multi-functions of sightseeing, adventure, food and beverage, wedding, MICE, 4D cinema, science and technology, education and shopping. So here it's me. I was trying to explain something about the Canton Tower, but unfortunately I lost the sound for this clip. So yeah, I was trying to say that Canton Tower looks beautiful. I was also trying to compare between Canton Tower and Shanghai Tower. Drop down your comment below and tell me which do you think is the beautiful tower. Of course they are all beautiful, but which tower do you prefer between Canton Tower and Shanghai Tower? And of course Shanghai Tower is the highest tower. It's higher than Canton Tower, but definitely you get so many activities to do at the Canton Tower. Like there is bubble tram, there is skydropping, there are so many things you can do at the Canton Tower. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and stay until the end of this video. Guess what guys, this was my favorite part of the day. If you know me, you know how much I love pictures. So yeah, I was actually trying to take pictures for myself, but I couldn't do it because of the lighting and stuff. But then I got at this point where they can take you nice pictures, and guys, look at that, I got so beautiful pictures. And the best part is you can select the pictures you want and they can print it for you, and they can also send you to your to your WeChat. Yeah, of course the photos come with the beautiful photo frame which is written Canton Tower with a Canton Tower on side. Yeah, this looks lovely. I bought my ticket for 288 RMB, which includes the bubble tram, skydrop, and the cloud observation deck of Science and Technology Hall, which I only did 2 of them because I was scared to do the skydrop, guys. I'm very scared of heights. So yeah, it was finally the time to go at the top and explore and experience the bubble tram. Bubble trams were sightseeing with a small view of mountains and the distance view of the whole city. It looks so beautiful, guys. It really looks so beautiful and it's worth the price. Although the weather is too hot, guys, but I love it here. So finally, I managed to enter inside the bubble tram. Yes, guys, and I was all alone in my own bubble tram. It kind of looks scary, but I think it's worth it. So yeah, it's actually rotating at the edge of the top of the Canton Tower, which is good. I mean, you can see different angles and different parts of the city. You can see from the top, from highest point, you can see like all the views of the city. Look at those ones, they are doing sky dropping, guys. Can you see them? That is so scary. I can never try that. That is scary, guys. And then they are going to drop down. Bubble tram ride was super fun, and it was time for me to go, and I came downstairs and I saw these machines, and I was so curious to know what are those machines for. And they told me you can pay 38 yuan and you can get a 6-minute view of the whole Guangzhou city, which is super amazing. So if you have time, guys, I recommend you to try, pay 38 yuan and see the beautiful view of Guangzhou city. So when you go downstairs, you can see different types of Canton towers. They are selling them, and I was so surprised because these small towers, they are big ones that they are shining. If you want, you can turn on the lights, but they are super expensive, guys. You can see the prices. I was shocked. I was like, what? Yeah, they are super expensive, but I think they look cute. Yeah, you can buy it and put it in maybe in your house, in your living room as a decor, or maybe in your office. Yeah, looks amazing. You buy from these prices, as you can see. They are quite expensive, guys. Very expensive. See? Wow, look at the prices, guys. But they look so beautiful. Like, why? It's okay. Wow, look at that.
Hours later.
So guys, I'm here at the airport, and actually my flight got delayed. I have been here for like 2 hours now, and I'm so tired, I'm so sleepy, and it's like 9 p.m. right now. Yeah, and my flight is gonna be at 10. Actually, my flight's supposed to be at 8, and it was delayed for 2 hours, and now I have to wait until maybe 9:40 to board. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts about the Canton Tower. So yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Get that.